Hi everyone, Olivia here from the Clever Testing Department. I've got another fantastic product that you will absolutely love. Now, trying to get veggies onto the kids' plates, let alone eat healthy yourself, can be difficult at the best of times, unless you've got one of these. It's called a turbo veggie twist, and it's a quick and easy way to make vegetable pasta. It's shaped like an hourglass, and on one side you've got a coarse cut, and on the other side you've got a fine cut. And this is how it works. Here I've got a regular zucchini, and all I've got to do is just put that in there like so and start twisting, just like you would a garden tap. And you can see the julienne strips coming out the bottom there. It also comes with this hat, so that when you get to the end of the vegetable, you can just pop that on so that your fingers never go near the blade. You get the perfect even cut every single time, and look, you can just put it straight into a bowl, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, put a little bit of spaghetti sauce on the top, and you'll have one of the healthiest pastas you could ever make. But what's really nice with this product is that cleanup is an absolute breeze. You can just rinse it under the tap, plus it even comes with this little cleaning brush. How easy is that? I think this is a great little product, and our customers rate it a 4 out of 5.
At OXO during cherry season, we go through pounds and pounds of fresh cherries. We love the taste, but not the pits. We set out to create a pitter that could handle even the largest of cherries with as little mess as possible. The pitter features a removable splatter shield that directs juices downward and prevents them from making a mess in your work area. Sturdy, die-cast zinc construction removes pits with ease, and a soft, comfortable non-slip handle absorbs pressure while you squeeze. The holder is extra large to accommodate Bing cherries and has a recessed cup to securely hold smaller varieties when pitting. When not in use, the splatter shield fits inside the front chamber, and the lock holds the pitter.
The Dyson Pop, another innovative kitchen product from Progressive. These days, my friends think I've been secretly training at a top culinary school because of my perfectly diced vegetables. My secret? The Dyson Pop, an amazing kitchen tool that will save you time and help you create the most beautiful dishes. Dicing vegetables can be a lot of work. The Dyson Pop makes it fun to dice your vegetables. It's so much fun that I'm sure you'll be creating more recipes just to use it. Vegetable soup is one of my standard dishes. I get my produce ready by cutting them into half-inch thick discs. Then what's really great is I can cut the perfect vegetable cubes all at once. I flip over the cover and pop the evenly diced cubes into the container. It couldn't be simpler. The container can measure up to 1.5 cups, and it comes with a lid for storing pre-prepped veggies. Now here's a really versatile feature of the Dyson Pop. I often use it to make fries and veggie sticks. With the potatoes, I cut off one end for stability, and for longer vegetables like cucumbers and carrots, I cut them down to a more manageable size. For these recipes, you'll need to remove the container. Take the blade and push down. And when you're done making your soup, stew, or veggie platter, the Dyson Pop is dishwasher safe.